Your grinder's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature through its commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brush caps. Now I can remove the brushes. First, I'll pull the brush spring out of the way. There's actually a post I can lock it back on. Then I'll remove the brush lead with my needle nose pliers. And now I can pull the brush from the brush holder. Now I can install the new brush. You'll notice the brush has a bevel on it. That bevel should be down against the armature. I'll thread the lead wire through the opening in the holder. Then I'll pull the brush into the holder, making sure it aligns. I'll push the holder down and reinstall the brush lead wire. And now I'll release the spring back onto the brush holder. And I repeat this process on the other side. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the brush caps. And that's how easy it is to install new brushes in your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.